Yeah, client said this wasn't starting, so I changed the coil packs then. Until we end up changing the starter. I changed. Let's look on it. Oh, I check the blood clot with sticks now. No, nothing like no, I don't know if I can see that. Nothing like no wonder the engine sounds so well. Nice car, but you know, and you have a little eel, a little valve cover leak. It's good, man. Yeah, right, that's it. Engine buff.